How to add stickers in Edit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add stickers. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this plus icon. So you can import a new project, or you can even work on the project that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on my older project. Now, here in this editing platform, here on the right hand side, you can scroll through different options. So swipe right until you find the option called sticker. So here it is. Simply tap on sticker. Now here are different stickers that are available. So you can even search for a sticker on the search bar and simply tap on the sticker that you want to import. So here I've tapped on one. So as you can see, this sticker has been imported. Now you can edit it or keep it wherever you want to. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.